Hi, I'm Rick Stoker, Dick Hanna Auto Body Director for Vancouver and for Longview. We are currently at a 20,000 feet facility, and we're going to be moving into a new facility that is 80,000 square feet. It's going to be a nicer environment, it's going to be healthier, it's going to be clean, it has airflow, it has ceiling fans, it has skylights so it's nice and bright. They will also have the latest technology with about 45 stalls on the body side and probably about 20 stalls on the paint side. Each one of our body stalls and a couple of the paint stalls will have belly lifts. The painters will all have vacuum sanders, the bodymen will all have vacuum sanders. In our new facility, we'll be having 9 double spray booths, which will be twice as efficient as a single spray booth. At our new location, we'll be looking for additional technicians for body, paint, glass, detail. Everybody in our shop that we have right now has moved up. They've all started out as a lot attendant or an apprentice, so there'll be a lot of chances to have staff and also room for improvement on the staff. Spring of 19, we'll be excited to move into our new facility.
For career opportunities, go to dickhanna.com/careers. Dick Hanna Dealerships. Believe in nice.